Hello from North Tyrone. Today I am going to do an unboxing video on this item, the Metabo R12-18BT. This is the AM/FM Bluetooth radio. I would consider it to be one of the most underrated radios in the market today. I tested this earlier when I connected the Bluetooth to it with the phone, the old Samsung. Connected right away, so easy to connect, and I tested the reach of the Bluetooth while it's playing from the phone, and it didn't start to cut out. It was 25 meters away, which was rather impressive. It's phenomenal for radio with a price point of about £65. Unbelievable. But I'm going to show you an unboxing of it. Now you see what you get for this £65. Which I think is quite a lot. You get quite a lot for your money with this one. Take that out first. That out. And take that out. So you can see that. That's the box, so I'll leave this to the side. First of all, the radio itself. You can see it's quite what I would call, I suppose we would say dinky is the word. I say dinky. It's not very big, but I think that's part of its charm, to be honest. We could do a measurement on it to give you an idea. If you're using inches, that's about 9 inches. 230mm roughly across. About 7.5 inches height. Not very big, but I think that's part of its charm, like I said. And also, just you would expect, the radio needs an aerial. That's the aerial. If I turn it upside down, what do I say? I'm not sure you could have seen that. Quite robust. Speakers across the front. Quite strong. The aerial. If I turn it upside down, you can see where the battery slot's on. Turn it on round. You can see the dock where the 230 volt plug goes into to bear it without a battery. Obviously this isn't a radio charger at that price. There's the label with all the details on it. It feels quite strong, you know, quite robust. So if you look at the top, there's the on button, the mode button, the volume button, the channel button, the station button, the equalizer button. All things you'd expect from a radio. So I'll stick a battery in it just to see how it lights up and what it looks like. There's a wee clip to release the battery when you're ready to get out. So just click something like that. So there it is. Press the on button. It goes on. It's set in the Bluetooth mode now, but we'll not worry too much about that. I can assure you. I don't know if you can see from the camera, but it's lights up in a bright green, and that's the. It's easier to see with the naked eye than this with the phone. It changes to FM, and you can tune the channel.
Go back about 12 months ago when the Super League with 12 clubs was first with a lot of its national men.
Heard a bit of classical music. What the sound? Quite good sound. Quite good sound for their price point, you know. There's station tuners as well there. presets and stuff. There's equalizers if you want to equalize the sound, but I'm not bothered with that now. And here is the plug if you want to pair it without a battery. It's just your standard AC/DC adapter, you know. Plugs into the wall, plugs into the back. This radio is Bluetooth, but not DAB. But for £65 you couldn't expect that. Most DAB radios are far over £100. So, as I said before, I think this radio is vastly underrated in the market. I don't think a lot of people know about it because Metabo, rather than some of the other bigger players like Milwaukee and DeWalt and Makita. But from what I've seen of it today, it can compete with some of the entry levels of those particular brands. So you could do worse than to purchase one of these. So that's my review of this solid little animal. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. And if it helps you or you enjoyed the content, please like the videos also. Thank you very much.